Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Power BI to files from SharePoint or OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft OneDrive app from your web browser, head to onedrive.com and sign into your account. Once you've entered your credentials, wait a moment while the login process finishes and you'll be directed to your OneDrive dashboard. This is where you'll access all your stored files and prepare them for connection with Power BI. Now, to connect Power BI to files from SharePoint or OneDrive, start by navigating to your left navigation menu, click on the My Files menu option. This will display a list of all your files stored in OneDrive. From here, look for the specific file you wish to connect to Power BI. Once you've located it, click on the check mark next to the file to select it. This selection is important because it allows you to access the file's properties and details in the next step. After selecting your file, look at the top part of the menu. You'll see a button labeled Details. Go ahead and click on it and a right side panel will open up. This panel contains important information about your selected file, including its location path. Scroll down within this panel until you find the File Path section. You'll notice a Copy button next to the path. Click on this Copy button to copy the file path to your clipboard. This path is essential as it tells Power BI exactly where to find your file within OneDrive or SharePoint. Once the file path is copied, it's time to switch over to your Power BI app. Open Power BI and navigate to the report you wish to connect your files to. From your Power BI dashboard, look at the top part of your screen where your menus and tools are located. Here you'll find a Get Data drop-down button. Click on it to reveal a list of data source options. Power BI supports various data sources, but for connecting files from OneDrive or SharePoint, you'll need to select the Web option from the list. Click on it to proceed. After clicking Web, a URL window will appear. This is where you'll paste the file path directory you copied earlier from OneDrive. Simply paste the path into the field provided and click on OK. Power BI will then establish a connection to your file using the path you provided, allowing you to import and work with your data directly from OneDrive or SharePoint. And that's it. You've successfully connected Power BI to your files from SharePoint or OneDrive, giving you seamless access to your data for reporting and analysis. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.